It's coming. Oh, shit. What the hell was that?
No.
It's like somebody dumped out a 5-gallon bucket on the car.
Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. I'm Kimberly and that's Jake. And we're the Outdoor Rushes. Today we are trying to do something we've never done. Keep a fish we caught on our fly rod to eat. Calm down, it's gonna be okay. We're fishing some Gila trout that our Game and Fish Department has recently started stocking. It's considered a native fish, but they're stocked and grown and they're put here so people can keep and eat them. So we thought we'd try and see what they tasted like. We're gonna probably spend the night in the area and cook them up. Should be fun. But first we have to catch one, and so far it's not looking good. We're doing everything we're supposed to do, but it's probably because they know we want to keep and eat one. So stay tuned, should be fun. Make sure you're subscribed, because if we do eat one, you'll want to see it.
Oh, fish. I got one. I finally got one. It's too small. But we caught one. Beautiful Gila. Yeah, it's too small. Look at that beautiful thing. There we go.
I know.
We got one. Now I'm just fun fishing. Because if I put stress on it, then we won't catch anything for dinner. Right? Let's try this hole again. There we go.
Oh, okay. Probably the same one.
I didn't catch one out of here last time. I caught it down there. Remember?
Another cute little one.
Yeah. Still too small. Come here, little guy. All right, in the net. Got my hand wet. Look at that guy.
It's raining. Again. So we failed to get dinner, so we're gonna starve, but that's okay because we can stand to skip a few meals, I guess. So now we've encountered this big rainstorm and we're gonna try and find a place to camp. So we're kind of dry. I don't know what our plan is gonna be for the morning though. So we're just kind of winging it. Ooh, chicken wings would be good. That's not what I bought though. So, luckily I went to the store this morning and got back up. So, we might have sandwiches, might have quesadillas. It just depends on if we're gonna be in the rain or not. We don't have a canopy to cook in the rain.
No.
Oh, you can probably. It's not raining anymore. That's bad. So we failed. I failed hardcore.
Did you catch any?
I didn't catch any. I did not land a fish. I hooked, like I hooked one, semi-hooked another one, and then that was it.
I guess that old saying, if you fish the wrong fly long enough, it becomes the right fly, just isn't true.
It was not the wrong fly.
Obviously it was.
No.
I caught like 10.
The fish were just being stupid. I told you.
I caught 10. You caught 0. I win.
I've kicked your ass like the past few times though.
I'm sure you have.
I have. So it was just your turn. You needed a win. So stay tuned as we try to find a place to camp.
That's dry.
That's dry. Alright, it's the next morning. The night was a little rough. I remembered why we don't like to camp around people. Y'all are so lovely listening to your music at 1 o'clock in the morning. But we got them back 6:30 in the morning when we left today. We blasted some Machine Gun Kelly. We're not petty. But today we are at a lake we have never fished before, neither of us, which is really rare since Jake has pretty much traveled all over back in his day. So our Game and Fish just released a really good report about this lake, so we're kind of hopeful. I've already snagged once though, had to rebend my hook. Not off to a great start, but there's a ton of ospreys and herons and whatever else eats fish flying around, and they're picking some up, so we're hopeful. Made some few casts, and Jake thinks he already had a fish attack his fly once, but we'll see. And he just threw a really bad cast, so I feel better about myself. Alright, stay tuned.
Got a fish?
Oh my god, I have a fish! Holy...
What do you got?
I don't know!
There you go.
Oh my god. That's a rainbow.
It's a rainbow?
Yeah.
You caught one, dear.
I caught a fish before you.
You did. He's fighting pretty good.
Yeah, he's like short and fat. Come here.
Dang it.
Oh. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Look at that. I caught a fish before Jake.
Look at that.
Look at that. All right. There you go. I can't believe that.
I can't believe that either. I can believe it. What am I saying?
So do you and I fall under the fishing bum category?
Yes. We are fishing bums.
Okay.
I mean, with the amount that we fish and how much we drive around just to fish,
Okay.
we try to set up our entire life around fishing.
We really do.
There's one.
Bring that bitch in.
I'm trying.
Oh. Come on.
I got one. Both flipped him. He's big enough to eat.
Yeah. We're not gonna starve-ish.
I know. Oh, and he came off.
Jake?
What? Where's the stringer?
What?
Where's the stringer?
I don't know. I thought you grabbed it. Did you not grab it?
I don't know. Oh. He's gonna get back in the water and swim away. We got one. We're not gonna starve.
No, we might.
Yeah.
There we go.
There you go. That's a nice one.
Yep.
Just flipping them up on shore.
That's what you said to do.
I know. The one I just got just coughed up some green power bait.
Really?
Yeah.
Calm down. Okay, it's over.
Excuse me. Watch out there.
Thank you.
Mm-hmm.
Right.
Huh?
Woo.
Woohoo!
So thanks to Jake, who knew, we're not gonna starve. It wasn't looking promising there for a minute, but caught a couple. We got 5, almost had 6. We didn't have it on film, but Jake caught what I thought was gonna be number 6. He was relying on me to put it in on our stringer and in the bag, and then yeah, it went back in the water. So we got 5. We're gonna find a nice little place to set up a kitchen and get to cooking. So yeah, we get fish today. I'm so excited. When was the last time we had fish? Yeah, so over a year ago. So yeah. Okay. Okay, so after a brief hiatus of driving through all of Flagstaff looking for gas and Sportsman's Warehouse, we have made it to another new lake we've never been to. Now this one, it like dried up I think a few years ago, so we don't think there's really any fish in it right now. I'm sure before we leave Jake will throw his rod in there. Not his rod, a fly. Tired. But we're here to have our picnic. We're gonna cook up the fish we caught at the We're gonna cook up the fish that we had at the last. I can't speak. We are here to have a picnic. We've got our little stove set up. Jake's cleaning the fish that we caught at the last stop, so we're not gonna show that. YouTube kind of gets weird sometimes, I guess, with cleaning food. But we'll definitely show you guys the end result. Should be pretty good. Right now he's filleting the rainbow trout. He's doing a great job.
Alright, so we got the fish filleted. Wind's picking up. Thunderstorm is starting to rain. Should be fun trying to cook this stuff out here right now. I'm a terrible filleter, so the fish came out a little mangled, a little tore up, but we're going to try to get some pieces cooked up real quick and try them out before we have to run to the car and take off. Should be fun. Alright, so that went to crap real fast.
Yeah.
We got a couple pieces cooked though, so we can try those out. Hailstorm just came out of nowhere. It was bright and sunny and like 91 degrees a few minutes ago.
Yeah.
So we're gonna try some of our fish we caught. Actually, just do some seasoning on there. It looks good.
Yeah, there we go. A few pieces I could get cooked. Well, that's a fin. I don't want to eat the fin.
Don't eat the fin.
Don't eat the fin.
Oh wow, that's actually really good.
Yeah. Tastes great.
Yeah.
So yeah, now
We're just waiting. Yeah. What the crap?
I don't want to be in here with these muddy roads.
I know. It was a long ways back into this lake too. So we're gonna have to figure something out.
Yeah.
Stay tuned. Yeah, out of nowhere. You see our stove and everything is still, if it'll focus. The stove is still out there on the table with the cutting board and everything.
Yeah.
But yeah, out of nowhere. I guess that's what it's like to be up here in the mountains in the summertime during monsoons.
Yeah. We're getting out of here.
We had a break in the weather, just long enough for us to grab all of our stuff. I think we got it all.
We got enough.
And now we got to get out of here before these roads get
Way too muddy.
unnavigatable.
Yeah.
Navigable?
Navigatable.
Navigatable?
Navigatable. That's the word. So, Jake, you drive safe. I should have grabbed a beer instead of a Monster. Oh, hell, something. That's the table. That's gonna drive Jake crazy.
Yeah.
Okay, I gotta do that.
I guess this is what happens when we catch fish on our fly rods and keep them to eat. We end up stuck in a hailstorm, 20 miles in on a dirt road that was rougher than crap to get back in here.
Yeah.
So, wish us luck. Should be fun to get out of here.
All right, let's do it.
It's coming. Oh shit. What the hell was that?
No.
It's like somebody dumped out a 5-gallon bucket on the car.
We made it to pavement. I think our hero of the day goes to Jake Rush for getting us out of there.
We only had one scary moment. Almost put it in a ditch.
Yeah, we started sliding. We did not get that on video. I was death gripping whatever was nearby.
I was laughing.
Yeah. But we made it, so
Yeah.
we might just be heading home now. I don't know. Over the rain. So, but we're safe. We did it. I think as long as we stay away from that direction and just keep it that way, we'll get out of the rain. Yeah, we're headed home.
Made the executive decision.
Yeah, it's been fun, but I guess Jake hasn't been feeling well this whole time, so we should probably get him to bed. But like yesterday we were able to dodge the storms pretty well, but today I'm not feeling it. So, especially after slipping and sliding on the mud. Doesn't sound like my cup of tea today. I'm gonna go and sleep in my big king bed. Eat some chicken tacos. Oh, we still have fish to cook.
Yeah.
And have fish and chicken tacos.
Surf and turf.
Yeah. But thank you all for watching and sticking around for this video. It's been quite the roller coaster. Make sure you're subscribed because our adventures are just getting crazier and wilder as the weekends come. And oh god, don't go outside. It's freaking stormy. Scary. But be safe, subscribe, click the bell, and we'll see you guys next time.